Dear friends, welcome to my video on how to use Art of War for esports. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. 1. All warfare is based on deception, fake, out. In The Art of War, Sun Tzu places a heavy emphasis on the element of surprise and deception. In competitive gaming, faking out your opponent can yield massive dividends. League of Legends, ever tried a bait and switch? Pretend you're running away from a fight only to turn around and unleash hell when they least expect it. CS, go, fake plant the bomb, draw out the defenders, and pick 'em off. StarCraft II, feign an attack on one front while your real army is circling around to hit where it hurts, their vulnerable base. The point is, make your enemy think you're doing one thing, then do another. Mind games can win matches. 2. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. Snowballing. Sun Tzu teaches us that momentum is key in any conflict. In gaming, we call this snowballing. You get one kill, then another, and before you know it, you're an unstoppable force. To maximize this, always think of how to convert a small win into a bigger one. Took down the enemy mid laner. Push the tower or go for the dragon. Got the first pick in a CS, go round. Use the numbers advantage to take crucial map control. Small advantages can rapidly turn into insurmountable leads if you play your cards right. 3. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting, map control and resource denial. Now, this is some 4D chess stuff right here. Sun Tzu argues that the best victories are those that are achieved without actual combat. In esports, this can be translated to map control and resource denial. Dota 2. Warding crucial spots provides vision and denies the enemy valuable information. Fortnite, controlling the high ground gives you a vantage point and puts your opponents in a tight spot. Any MOBA, starving your opponent of buffs or jungle camps can severely limit their options. Control the field, and you control the game. It's like winning without even having to land that final blow. 4. He will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight. Picking your battles, you don't have to jump into every skirmish. Sometimes it's better to fall back and live to fight another day. This is crucial in games where death penalties are severe or give significant advantages to the enemy team. Remember, it's not just about getting kills, it's about achieving objectives. Will chasing that low health enemy really secure the win, or will it lead you into a trap and cost you the game? Sun Tzu would say, weigh your options and act accordingly. 5. Know yourself and know your enemy. 100 battles, 100 victories. Research and adapt. This is the heart and soul of Sun Tzu's teachings. The best players are always adapting, always learning. Review replays, watch your games and see where you went wrong or right. Study the pros, watch streams, tutorials, or professional games to learn new strategies and tips. Scout the enemy. In many games, you can see your opponent's stats and most used characters. Use that info to your advantage. Having a deep understanding of your game and your competition will prepare you for 100 battles and 100 victories. Or, at least a pretty solid win rate. So there you have it, 5 strategies from The Art of War to help you dominate in esports. These tips have stood the test of time, crossing boundaries from ancient battlefields to modern digital arenas. Now go forth and conquer, gamer. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.